Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today I want to show you how to calculate your lot size using a special tool, the lot size calculator designed by engineer Luta. So if you're a trader who wants to practice proper risk management, this video is definitely for you. Now let me take you straight to the screen. As you can see here on the screen, the first thing you need to do is select the trading pair. There are many options available, but for this example, I'll go with Euro-US dollar. The next step is to select your deposit currency, which is the currency your account is in. For now, I'll choose USD. After that, we enter the stop loss in pips. Let's say I want to risk 20 pips, so I'll enter 20. Next is the account balance. This is very important because it determines the size of the position you'll open. My balance is $2,500, so I'll input that. Now here's where it gets interesting. We need to choose the risk percentage, which is very important. The safest and most commonly recommended risk level is 2%, so I'll select 2%. But here's the cool part. This calculator by engineer Luta is very smart. If you try to set a higher risk, like 5% or more, it will give you a warning. This is a great feature because it protects you from over-risking, which could blow your account. You have two options. You can click on Adjust Risk Level to go back to the recommended 2%, or if you're sure, you can click on I understand the risk to continue with the higher risk. For now, I'll stick to the safe side and go back to 2%, safety first. After that, the calculator will show you the recommended lot size, which in my case is 0.25. You can also set your reward ratio if you want to calculate your risk to reward, R to R, for your trades. Honestly, I really like this calculator. It simplifies everything, perfect for beginners and pro traders. It clearly shows how proper tools can help a trader make better decisions. So guys, I hope you've learned something valuable today, how to choose the correct lot size to protect your account. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, follow, and subscribe for more great trading content.